Today we're going to be looking at how to write fractions in simplest form. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is simplest form? Well, with fractions, it means that we're going to reduce the fraction to its lowest or simplest form, meaning that the denominator and the numerator are reduced until the only common factor between them is 1. So for a fraction of 45/75, we're going to divide that fraction until we get to the point where the only common factor between them is 1. So we know that both 45 and 75 share a common factor of 5, so we're going to divide both our denominator and our numerator by 5 to simplify this fraction. Well, for our denominator, when we divide 75 by 5, we're left with 15, and then for our numerator, when we divide 45 by 5, we're left with 9 for the fraction of 9/15. Now, I'm sure that you've noticed that we're not quite done here because both 9 and 15 share a common factor other than 1, and that common factor is 3. So we're going to divide both our denominator and our numerator for a second time, but this time we're dividing them by 3 to reduce this fraction to its simplest form. Well, for the denominator, when we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. And then for the numerator, when we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 for the fraction of 3/5. Now, there's no common factor other than 1 between both 3 and 5, so we're done. We've rewritten this fraction in its lowest possible terms, or its simplest form. But I'm sure that you've realized by now that there is another way for us to do this. So we're going to rewrite our fraction of 45/75. Now, as we can see up top, we started out by dividing the fraction by 5, and then we divided that fraction once again by 3. So what if we were to divide both our denominator and our numerator by 15 instead of doing it by 5 and then by 3? Well, let's find out. So for a denominator, when we divide 75 by 15, we're left with 5. And then for our numerator, when we divide 45 by 15, we're left with 3. For the same fraction of 3/5. So when we write 45/75 in its simplest form, we get the fraction of 3/5. So as we can see, when it comes to writing fractions in simplest form, it doesn't matter if we take 10 steps or if we take 1 step. As long as we reduce the fraction to the point where the only common factor between the denominator and the numerator is 1, you're going to end up with the same result. So hopefully by now you understand how to write fractions in simplest form. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.